Earth. The Earth is the largest and the densest of the 4 terrestrial planets. It is the most wonderful planet of the solar system. Following are the features of the Earth. Its distance from the Sun is 150 million km. Its revolution period is 365 1/4 days. Its rotation period is 23 hours, 56 minutes, 40 seconds. It has one moon. It is the densest planet. It is also the watery and biose planet. Its diameter is 12,756 kilometers, 7,927 miles equatorial and 7,900 miles polar diameter. It has atmosphere which contains 78% nitrogen, and 21% oxygen. Its 2/3 surface is covered with oceans. The Earth's surface is rich in oxygen, silicon, aluminium, iron, calcium, sodium etc. 4. Mars distance from Sun 228 million km. Revolution period 687 days. Rotation period 24h, 37 minutes and 22 seconds. It has two moons, Phobos and Deimos. Its diameter is 6,794 km. Mars is covered with red dust. It has an atmosphere composed almost entirely of CO2. Its average temperature is -53 C. Its distance from Sun is 778 million km. Revolution period 12 years. Rotation period 9h, 50 minutes, and 30 seconds. Smallest day, it has 63 moons. It is the largest planet of the solar system. It has the largest number of satellites. Its diameter is 1,24,800 km. Its diameter is 11 times greater than the Earth's diameter. It has a dense, cloudy atmosphere of hydrogen and helium. It has a rock iron ice core about 15,000 km, 9,000 miles, thick. Jupiter radiates 67% more heat than it receives from the Sun. This is mainly due to dissipation of the primordial heat of the planet.